Hey, it's Paul Jamison. We're out at 4709 Pioneer Lane. We are out here in Union County making sure you know about this listing. The price was just lowered to $249,900. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath on a well and septic. This house needs certainly updating, but it's on 3 acres, folks, and it's awesome. Great opportunity. Open floor plan for a ranch this old is great. Want no HOA? You got no HOA. Let's go take a look. Floors obviously have been replaced. Look at this open concept for a ranch of this age. Think about what you could do with this kitchen. 3 acres. Nice property. Big bathroom, big bedrooms. This property is an estate property. Big bedroom. Bath off the master with a shower. Here. So it's a 3-2. Home is sold as is. There will be no repairs. It's priced to sell. Carport, you can close this in for a garage. Lots of storage. Don't miss this one. This is a great one. 4709 Pioneer Lane and Indian Trail. Come see this house. Make us an offer. Right now, you can show in Union County. If you can't, get a little extended due diligence period. Call us at 846-DONE, 846-3663, or my cell, 704-819-0010. 4709 Pioneer Lane and Indian Trail.